Greetings, fellow adventurers in the digital realm. Today, we embark on a quest that transcends the boundaries of gaming, the great console versus PC saga. I'm Liam, your guide through this epic journey. Get ready for a roller coaster ride through the pixels and power-ups that define the essence of gaming. Imagine this. You're standing at the crossroads of console and PC, two paths that lead to the heart of the gaming universe. Are you ready to choose your destiny? Grab your controller or your mouse, because this is not just a battle of hardware, it's a clash of gaming ideologies. Now, let's dive into the heart of the battle performance. Consoles promise a curated gaming experience, optimizing every ounce of power. But can they compete with the customizable juggernaut that is the PC? The question isn't just about raw power, it's about the gaming experience it delivers. Consoles dazzle with seamless experiences. Pop in a disc or download a game, and you're off to the races. No need to fret about compatibility or driver updates. It's a plug-and-play utopia. But does this simplicity come at the cost of raw performance? Navigating through the tech labyrinth, we uncover the marvels of PC customization. Graphics cards, processors, RAM, the choices are limitless. PC gaming enthusiasts revel in the ability to fine-tune their rigs for unparalleled performance. But in the quest for customization, does the PC world face challenges in achieving a universal gaming standard? Exclusives, the crown jewels of gaming platforms. Consoles proudly flaunt titles that are their exclusive domain, drawing gamers into their ecosystems. PCs, meanwhile, boast a library that spans the digital cosmos. The question lingers: which side truly reigns supreme in the realm of blockbuster exclusives? From Master Chief's adventures on Xbox to the mesmerizing worlds of PlayStation exclusives, consoles have created a legacy with titles that define generations. But can these blockbusters stand shoulder to shoulder with the boundless library that PCs offer? Are exclusives the ultimate trump card in the console VPC saga? Our exploration delves into the expansive universe of PC gaming, where the sheer volume of titles is staggering. From indie gems to modding communities, PCs embrace diversity. Yet does the vastness sometimes overshadow the curated excellence that consoles offer? Now, my fellow gamers, the time has come. Drop your allegiance in the comments. Are you Team Console or Team PC? Let your voice be heard, and let's see which side triumphs in this epic console VPC saga. And of course, hit that like button if this debate has you on the edge of your gaming seat. Gaming isn't just about pixels and polygons, it's about community. Consoles create a living room camaraderie, a tangible bond forged through split-screen adventures. PCs, in contrast, unite gamers in the vast online realms, where friendships transcend geographical boundaries. But which side emerges victorious in the social epicenter of gaming? Picture it. Friends gathered around a console, passing controllers, sharing laughter, and occasionally hurling good-natured insults during split-screen showdowns. The console couch co-op is a tradition, a social ritual that transcends the digital realm. Can the intimacy of this shared space be replicated in the vastness of online PC gaming? As we venture deeper into the online realms of PC gaming, we uncover the connectivity that spans the globe. Guilds, clans, and online communities flourish, creating a virtual tapestry of shared experiences. But does the vastness sometimes lead to a sense of anonymity, overshadowing the close-knit bonds forged in console living rooms? Now let's dive into a battlefield that hits close to home: the price wars. In the console VPC saga, the question isn't just about performance, but about the dollars and cents that gamers invest. So, let the budgetary duel begin. Picture this. You walk into a store, grab a console off the shelf, and you're set to game. Consoles offer an attractive entry point with a fixed price. Whether it's Xbox, PlayStation, or Nintendo, there's a console for every budget. But does this affordability come with a hidden cost over time? On the flip side, we delve into the world of PC gaming, where customization reigns supreme. Want a powerful graphics card? Go for it. Upgrading your processor? The choice is yours. But does this flexibility come at a price? We dissect the components, the upgrades, and the DIY spirit that defines the PC gaming community. Does the upfront cost pay off in the long run, or is it a journey for the committed and financially brave? There you have it, the console VPC Showdown. No winners, just a celebration of the gaming universe. If you enjoyed this battle of bits and pixels, don't forget to share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more gaming sagas right here. Remember, in this realm, the choice is yours, and the adventure continues based on the path you choose. Until next time, may your frame rates be high and your loading times low. For more gaming adventures, stay connected. Catch you on the next level.